Variables are named storage locations in memory that hold data values which can be accessed and modified throughout your program. Think of them as containers with names that hold different types of information. To create a variable, you declare its type, give it a name, and optionally assign a value. Int age is equal to 25 creates a box called age that holds the number 25. Variables are essential because they let your program remember and work with data. Without variables, your program couldn't store user inputs, calculate results, or keep track of anything. You can also change their contents anytime. Age is equal to 26 updates our box with a new value.